How are disputes resolved under a collective bargaining agreement? In recent news, labor relations are heating up as workers and employers navigate complex collective bargaining agreements. One question many are asking is how disputes are resolved under these agreements. Understanding this process is essential for both employees and employers, especially as negotiations continue to evolve. Disputes under a collective bargaining agreement are typically resolved through a structured grievance and arbitration process. The first step is often informal resolution. An employee or union representative brings the issue to the immediate supervisor. This initial step aims to resolve the issue quickly, usually within 10 days of the incident. If the informal resolution does not work, the next step involves a formal written grievance. The employee, sometimes with union assistance, submits this grievance to a designated administrator. A meeting is then held between the involved parties, typically within 10 days, to discuss the grievance. The administrator must provide a written decision within another 10 days. When the grievance remains unresolved, either party may refer the dispute to arbitration. Arbitration involves a neutral third party who reviews the case and issues a binding decision. Depending on the collective bargaining agreement, this can involve either a single arbitrator or a 3-person arbitration board. The parties usually select the arbitrators, and if they cannot agree, a government labor official may appoint one. It is important that arbitrators are impartial and have not been involved in prior negotiations related to the grievance. Once the arbitrator makes a decision, it is binding on both parties and intended to settle the dispute definitively. If a grievance is not submitted to arbitration within the specified period after the formal decision, it may be considered abandoned. This multi-step dispute resolution process is designed to handle disagreements related to the interpretation or application of the collective agreement. It aims to avoid strikes or work stoppages by providing a clear mechanism for resolving conflicts. As labor relations continue to be a hot topic, understanding how disputes are resolved under collective bargaining agreements can help both employees and employers navigate these challenging waters.